Hello dear learners, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very. Please come to the chapter number 2, that is managing Windows 11. Okay students, so Windows 11 lets you change colors, wallpapers, other settings to make your experience a little more personal, right? So in Windows 11 you can also change the sort by view of a folder in File Explorer to have all items in the folder sorted by the name, date modified, size, type and more file detail you want. Okay, and have all items in the folder arranged in ascending yani ki alphabetical or descending order. Students, next we have is File Explorer. File Explorer is a GUI, graphical user interface component in all versions of Microsoft Windows. It is a file manager application that enables user to navigate and manage data, drives, folders, files on the computer और मोबाइल डिवाइस. ठीक है, तो स्टूडेंट्स फिर आता है स्टूडेंट्स फॉर एक्सेसिंग द फाइल सिस्टम. और फाइल सिस्टम को एक्सेस करने के लिए इट ऑफर्स अ ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस दैट अलाउज यूजर टू एक्सेस फाइल, जिसकी वजह से हम जितनी भी फाइल्स हैं, फोल्डर्स हैं या फिर कंटेंट स्टोर्ड इन द कंप्यूटर हम सबको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. इट प्रेजेंट्स मल्टीपल यूजर इंटरफेस आइटम. It presents multiple user interface items on the screen like desktop and taskbar, as it is also an element of the operating system, right? So students, File Explorer ना ही सिर्फ फोन का बल्कि हमारे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यानी कि डेस्कटॉप और टास्क बार का भी पार्ट होता है, जिसकी वजह से ये हमें वहां पे मल्टी यूजर इंटरफेस आइटम शो करता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन ओपन द फाइल एक्सप्लोरर either by clicking on the icon below or by pressing Win+E on your PC. Okay students, opening File Explorer. So let's learn to open the File Explorer, students. So click the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. The File Explorer window will appear with quick access, which provides quick access to commonly used folders. You can double click on any folder you want to open. Now students, what is a file? File is a collection of linked information and data which is stored in a secondary storage device. Students, file क्या है? लिंक्ड इंफॉर्मेशन है, डेटा है जो कि हमारे सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस में क्या होता है, स्टोर होता है. देयर आर मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फाइल्स एज पर द डेटा स्टोर्ड इन देम. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरीके के क्या है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फाइल्स हैं जो कि स्टोर्ड होते हैं एंड दीज आर आइडेंटिफाइड बाय द एक्सटेंशंस दे हैव. ओके, सम फाइल्स कैन हैव डेटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन इन न्यूमेरिक फॉर्म. कुछ फाइल्स और कुछ डेटा स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि न्यूमेरिक फॉर्म में स्टोर्ड होते हैं एंड सम कैन हैव इट इन binary or alphanumeric form. A few types of files are JPG, PDF, GIF, PNG, doc, and TXT, etc. Okay. Now, students, properties of a file. So, what are the properties of a file? So, first is name. The name of a file has to differentiate it from one another. File are accessed using their names, and there are certain rules for naming files. Okay. What are the extension? So, it is the extension that specifies the type of the file, whether it is a document, text, image, video, audio, or any other type. Right. So, next we have students. देखिए, अगर डॉक्यूमेंट है, टेक्स्ट है, इमेज है, वीडियो है, सबकी एक्सटेंशंस आपकी फाइल को सेव करने के लिए अलग ही होंगी, इसीलिए वी कैन डिफरेंशिएट आवर फाइल बाय देयर एक्सटेंशंस आल्सो, राइट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्टूडेंट्स डेट एंड टाइम. These are stored by a file at the time of its alteration or creation in addition to the data in the files. Okay, जब जिस टाइम पे वो फाइल क्रिएट हुई है, जिस डेट पे हुई है, वो सारी की सारी फाइल की इंफॉर्मेशन मेंशन होती है कहाँ पर, प्रॉपर्टीज में, फाइल की प्रॉपर्टीज में, राइट. नाउ वी हैव स्टूडेंट्स लेंथ. द टोटल बाइट कंटेंट एक्सप्रेसेस द लेंथ ऑफ द फाइल. ठीक है, जितना बाइट की वो फाइल है वो सारा क्या है, लेंथ ऑफ द फाइल है. Protection attributes. The file protection attributes are used to determine the type of a file access that is given to the user, such as archive, read only और hidden. ठीक है, प्रोटेक्शन एट्रीब्यूट्स भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं कि आपको हाइड करनी है या फिर रीड या फिर शो करनी है या फिर एज एन आर्काइव उसको रखना है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ व्हाट इज अ फोल्डर? अ फोल्डर इज यूज्ड टू अकोमोडेट अ ग्रुप ऑफ फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स एंड प्लेस देम अंडर द सेम हेडिंग. Students, one folder can contain multiple files and it can also contain a subfolder. Okay, any number of folders can be created and each such folder can have numerous files and subfolders. The folders can have many entries as per the number of files created. Okay, if a file is deleted from the folder, the entry automatically gets deleted from the folder also. Okay, so folders are important to keep, students. They help organize numerous files into groups and make searching for a particular file easy. आप किसी भी फाइल को इजीली सर्च कर सकते हो जब आपके पास वो फोल्डर में save होगी. If we did not have any folders on our computer system, all the programs, documents and different files would be found in the same place. सारी की सारी files या फिर documents या programs आपको एक जगह पर ही मिलेंगे. A folder allows us to have multiple files in it, right? You can have more than one file with the same file name in different folders. आपको students आपके पास एक से ज्यादा फाइल हो सकती है सेम नेम से लेकिन डिफरेंट फोल्डर्स में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ फाइल called assignment.doc can be saved in the many documents folder, and another file called assignment.doc is in another folder called assignments, right? So difference between a file and folder is a file is a collection of the related data or information. A folder is a method to organize the files on the computer. A file can't contain another file or folder, but a folder can contain any number of files or folders. A file has an extension, a folder does not have any extension. File has a certain size and memory consumption. Folder doesn't consume space in the memory. Okay, students. Now creating a folder on the desktop. Let us learn to create a new folder in the desktop, students. So right click on the desktop, a menu will appear. Click on new, another menu will open. Click on the folder. The Windows 11 will create a new folder on your desktop, and using your keyboard, type a name for your folder and press enter. Now students, let's learn to add or remove folders on start. So let's learn to add or remove quick access to different locations through the start menu. So students, open settings. Click on personalization. Click the start on the right side. Click on folders. Turn on or off the items to appear next to the power button to start. After you complete the steps, the quick access buttons will appear next to the power button to start in the start menu. Okay, students. Now let us learn to arrange desktop icons in Windows 11. So arranging desktop icons in Windows 11, if you find the desktop icons too small, you can always adjust their size, students. Let us learn to arrange the desktop icons, students. First is right click anywhere on the desktop, the menu will appear, click on the view. So select your option from the context menu. You can make the icons look medium, large or extra large at your own convenience. Okay. You can also arrange the icons in a grid and set them into auto arrange. Furthermore, you can remove the icons from the desktop if you want by unchecking the show the desktop icons option from the context menu. Okay, students. Now let us learn changing the text size in Windows 11. So if you find the text too small in your system and in the apps, you can change that too, students. So let us learn to change the text size. So right click anywhere on the desktop, students. Click on display settings from the text context menu, and this will take you to the system display settings page. Okay. So this is the system display settings, students, and this is the system display setting page. Under the scale and layout tab, go to the scale tab and increase the font size to your convenience. Okay. यहाँ पे आप font size increase कर सकते हैं. From here you can make the other adjustment in your display settings. और भी adjustments आप कर सकते हैं. Now students, configuring custom color accent. Okay students, let us learn to apply a custom color accent to your Windows 11. So open settings, click on personalization, click on colors on the right side. Use the accent color setting and select the manual option. Select a custom accent color option. Click on the view colors button for the custom color setting. Create a custom color, students. Create the done button. Optional, use the accent color setting and select the automatic option to allow the system to use a color based on the colors of the current desktop background. After you complete the step, students, system icons, links, buttons and many other elements will reflect the new automatic color. Now students, changing Windows 11 system sounds. So Windows 11 is the first Windows version that has different sets of sounds for virtually every system action, including the default startup sound, battery functionality, connecting and disconnecting devices, typing and exclamation and more. So students, हर किसी step के लिए, action के लिए यहाँ पर हमें क्या provided है? Different set of sounds provided है. It also has different set of sounds for its lights and dark modes, though separate, and sounds are not completely different from for both modes. Okay. So students, the light mode has brighter and louder sounds than the dark mode. However, Microsoft has designed both these system sound profile to be calmer and softer. Okay. Let us learn to change the system sound, students. Navigate to start menu, select settings. Okay. After selecting settings, click on the system, select sound. Under advanced, select more sound settings. Okay, students. Select sound tabs. Select the sound scheme you want to change, students. After selecting it, select the program events from the menu. Click OK to save changes, students. So this is how you can make changes in the sound of your system. Okay, students. So students, here we are done with this chapter. let us go through some reboot points of this chapter, students. So your first point is File Explorer is a GUI component in all versions of Microsoft Windows. You can open the File Explorer either by clicking on the icon below or by pressing Win plus E on your PC. You can double click on any folder you want to open. Some files can have data and information in numeric form and some can have it in binary or alphanumeric form. The total byte content expresses the length of the file. You can arrange the icons in a grid or set them to auto-arrange. The Windows 11 is the first Windows version that has a different set of sounds for virtually every system action, including the default startup sound, battery functionality, connecting and disconnecting devices, typing and exclamation and more. Okay, students. So these were the reboot points of this chapter, students. I hope you understood this chapter very well. Or students, this chapter is based on the practical approach on your PC. तो students आप क्या करेंगे? आपको इस chapter का practical करना है. Okay. So students, we will meet in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, keep revising, keep learning, keep doing practicals and keep growing. Thank you, students. All the best.